Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. I'm going to be talking about Lead Lightning. It's a $7 product that gives you unlimited $6 commissions. Power Lead System is this is basically the front end offer of Power Lead System. So if you don't have the income right now, I know times are tough. If you don't have the income right now to join Power Lead System, you can at least get your foot in the door and use this marketing system to promote your own affiliate business or your affiliate offer or a website that you want to promote. You can use this marketing system to promote your link. Like it says right here, build a list of rapid buyers with the most powerful lead and money-grabbing system. Introduce the ultimate all-in-one commission-spitting machine. Perfect for beginners. Start generating commissions immediately. Create daily buyer leads. Generate leads and enroll to your primary business. I'm going to show you how you can do that in a little bit. Professionally written autoresponder campaigns to boost your sales. No monthly fees. It's just the one-time $7 fee. What are others saying about Lead Lightning? There's some different testimonials right here. So why should I be using Lead Lightning? The top marketers know the incredible power of a high-converting, targeted sales funnel. It's the secret to building a better list with red-hot buyer leads. So, statistically speaking, those who are willing to put money down are also more likely to purchase any other affiliate products or businesses. So right here it says easy to use. Everything is completely set up and ready to go. Start generating leads and commissions immediately. Build a buyer's list and instantly get more leads and subscribers and more buyers. No monthly fees. Full use access to Lead Lightning is only $7 one time. Boost sales and enrollments. Boost sales and enrollments to your primary business through professionally written email campaigns. With Lead Lightning, you can quickly and easily generate daily commissions, have success even as a beginner, get free traffic training, build a targeted list of buyers, boost sales for your business. So basically we already talked about that. And these are all the things you'll get. All your commissions are tracked through Priceless Possibilities. That is the company behind Lead Lightning and Power Lead System, which you've heard me talk about. And we get paid every Wednesday, like clockwork. We also have e-wallet, commissions paid weekly to 188 countries. Transfer money to your bank or a Visa Pay card, which you can order through our e-wallet provider, and you get the $6 commissions on every sale. Now we have a product that's extremely affordable, and you get $6 commissions. So that's why I love Lead Lightning, and it's also a great way to promote Power Lead System as well. So if you are a member of my Power Lead System team and you're a gold member and you want to have the possibility of this system promoting Power Lead System, you can also give this Lead Lightning out to your team as well. So this is your Lead Lightning back office. The reason why it says my name here as the sponsor and everything is because I actually purchased Lead Lightning, so I would have a back office to show you guys how everything works for video purposes. So normally it would say so it says congratulations and welcome to Lead Lightning. Your sponsor Your sponsor's contact info is right here. So if you want to contact your sponsor, you can do that right up here. And right here where it says click here to see your sponsor's recommended income stream. So this is how you promote your primary business or your affiliate link. You can you just follow these examples right here. Join our Facebook group. Definitely do that because you're gonna probably want to have questions. So join the Facebook group. You can choose the link that you want to advertise, and you can, if 1 week you want to promote one thing, you can promote it here. Next week, if you want to change it, you can just update it right there. So we also have a free lead system. It's like Lead Lightning, except this one is free, and you can still promote any business with the free system. But the only thing is instead of keeping all of your leads, you'll pass up every other lead up to me, your sponsor. So if you brought somebody in, every other lead would get passed up to you. So this is where you can get. I'm not going to click on this because it has people's personal information on here, and that's always my. I always want to keep everyone's identity secret, but this is where you can access all of your leads, and then right here is where the training is. So you want to watch this video all the way through. You want to click here. There's some advertising pictures here if you want to promote Lead Lightning on social media. You can get your affiliate link if you go right back here to Quick Start and you click on your affiliate link. You just click right here. This is going to be your affiliate link. Now this affiliate link may work for a little while, but there's because most social media nowadays they block people that spam the same link over and over again. So this is just a tip. If you're going to put a link in your advertisement on social media, what you can do is do this right here. Just go to a website called bit.ly.com, and you can copy and paste that link right here. I'm not going to do it right here, but you would basically paste that affiliate link into this field right here, and then you would click shorten, and you would get like a short link right here as well. So that way you can promote your affiliate link on social media. So that's just a little tip that I wanted to show you guys. So if you come back here to training, watch this video all the way through. Here's some advertising pictures that you can promote Lead Lightning with. We have text links. So if you want to promote Lead Lightning, you can use these to promote Lead Lightning. And then we also have other different trainings down here as well that you can check out. So that's Lead Lightning. I want to show you some of the things about your account. So right here where it's my information, this is where you're going to edit all your information, your username, your password. So if you want to change the username that you were given, so when you join Lead Lightning, you're going to get an email with your username and password. You can edit those right here. So if you don't want to keep the username or password and you want to change it out, you can do that right there. You can change the billing information right here, but so that's important because if you do end up upgrading to the next level, which is Power Lead System, you're going to want that upgraded for your monthly fee. Now, so, and then right here where it says My Money, you got your commissions that you can track right here. This is just a dummy account that I'm using for training purposes, so I'm not going to have any commissions right here, but you can track all your money there. The e-wallet is right here, so if you want to once you get your first commission, there will be a link right here where you can actually click on, so you can set up your e-wallet right there. And then let's see, if you have any questions or any issues, you can all these links are here to help you. Lead Lightning frequently asked questions, you can get those right here. If you have any problems with your account, you can put a support ticket. Now, Lead Lightning and Power Lead System have amazing customer service. Over the years of using Power Lead System, I've always gotten, if I have had any issues using Power Lead System for some technical issue, support has always come through. They have great support. So that's where you can get help for that. So again, if you just want to use Lead Lightning and that's it to promote your link and to just keep making those $6 commissions, you can just use that system. And you can also give away the free lead system. So if there are people that don't want to pay anything and they just want to use a free way of getting leads, they can use the free lead system right here, and you can get your link right there as well. So, but if you want to supercharge your system with the ability to be able to make your own pages or to copy any of the pages in Power Lead System to use for your business or your affiliate offer, we also have a Power Blog you can upgrade right here where it says supercharge your system, and that will take you to Power Lead System where you'll be able to make $20 commissions on top of the $6 commissions you can use for promoting Lead Lightning. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you got everything you need. I try to give you as much information as possible, so to help you get started, or just to show you what you get with Power Lead or Lead Lightning. Sorry, but so when you first start joining this group, make sure you just hit the join button to join our Facebook group. Because if you have any problems or issues with your, or you just want some help, you can get help in our Facebook group. There are over 47,000 people in there willing to help you out. Of course, you can contact me. All my contact information is in the description below, and you can. I'll be happy to help you as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't end up joining, that's fine. I wish you the best of luck in your online journey and the pursuit of your dreams and whatever it is that you promote or you're going after in life. That's what this channel is all about and has always been about, is helping people. And so if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you want to subscribe to my channel and get more videos, I also do standalone videos and different trainings on different things I promote. Then feel free to hit that subscribe button below, and next to the subscribe button is also a bell. Click that bell so you get notified when I upload new content, and all my information and the links to Lead Lightning and my other opportunities will be in the link below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next. Bye.